This project focuses on detecting fraudulent bank transactions using machine learning. By analyzing past transaction data, the system can identify patterns of fraud and predict whether new transactions are legitimate or suspicious. It helps banks enhance security, reduce losses, and ensure safer digital banking through an automated, real-time detection system. As shown in the video, this project focuses on identifying whether a bank transaction is fraudulent using a trained machine learning model. The dataset includes customer information like age, gender, transaction amount, merchant details, and a label indicating fraud. The system requires input values corresponding to the features in the dataset, including step, customer ID, age, gender, zip code ORI, merchant ID, category, e.g., transportation, health, and amount. Once these values are entered, the model processes the input and displays the predicted probability of fraud in the form of a pie chart. In the initial test case, we entered the details of a non-fraudulent transaction. As expected, the model classified the transaction as not fraud with a high confidence percentage. Subsequently, step, customer ID, age, gender, zip code ORI, merchant ID, category, e.g., transportation, health, and amount. Once these values are entered, the model processes the input and displays the output again in the form of pie chart. We entered a set of values representing a known fraudulent transaction. The model accurately identified the transaction as fraudulent and reflected this in the prediction output. This video-backed project confirms the functionality of a fraud detection system from data loading to model training and live prediction, providing a practical solution for securing banking transactions.